In this quick video, we'll see how you can easily export or save your videos from CapCut PC to your computer. So if you are using the CapCut editing application on your PC or laptop, but you aren't sure how you can save your videos in the best possible quality, simply follow my steps. As you can see, I have an edited video on my CapCut timeline, and I want to save this video to my computer and upload it to YouTube later. In order to save it, you want to tap on this Export button at the top right corner of the screen. And this window will pop up over our screen where we will be able to adjust our export settings and save our video in the best possible quality. You can firstly add the name of your video, and that will be the file name. The next step is to select the file destination, or where you want to save your video. You can select a specific folder on your computer by clicking here, and just select where you want your video to be saved. I'm simply going to save this to my desktop so I can easily find my video. You can then select the resolution of your video. 4K is the highest quality, but I'm going to select 2K for now. Another thing that is really important when saving your video is the bitrate option. The higher the bitrate of your video, the better the quality of that video is going to be. But keep in mind that a high bitrate video will use a lot more space on your computer. So if you don't have a lot of storage to work with, then you want to set the bitrate option to the recommended one. But if you want the best possible quality, select a higher bitrate option for the export setting. The rest of the options aren't that important if you want to upload your video to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. What you can do is to select if you want a 30 or 60 frames per second video. If you select 60 frames per second, your video will look a lot smoother, just like in real life, so maybe you can experiment with the frame rate option. Also, you can check the audio section in here if you want a copy of the audio track in the folder next to your video. I can then click on the export option and wait a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes until your video is saved. And when it's done, you can see that CapCut created a folder with our video, and you can also see the audio track if you selected to save a copy of the audio. If your video has subtitles, the file will also be saved as a separate file if you need it. And that's how you can easily export videos using CapCut for PC. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon.